Hi Aquarius, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 13th of December. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. The first card that I see for you is Two of Pentacles, Six of Swords, and Eight of Swords. Person B here has the Devil card, the Page of Cups, and the Hierophant. Now, bottom of the deck, I have the Hermit card, which is Virgo energy. This means that either you or your person is in that energy where you are reflecting. You're trying to think about this relationship, what effort you put in, what effort this person has put in, what is the status of this relationship, and why things are the way they are right now. Okay, so all these thoughts are there in your mind and you're just in that self introspection mode. Now from the first set of cards, I see you have Two of Pentacles, which means you're juggling with regards to two cases, maybe in some situations two people, and they are both related to stability, money, because both show stability. Now the second card for you is Six of Swords, which means that this relationship or there's something that has kind of become a burden. And the third card here I see is Eight of Swords, which means that you will feel stressed out, you will feel a lot of anxiety, it will cause you a lot of stress. Now the second person here, person B, their first card is the Devil card, which shows negative energy. There's something around this person that's negative. It could be a person, it could be a habit like sex, drugs, alcohol, something which is causing a lot of negativity around them. Now the second card I see here is Page of Cups. Page of Cups is the energy where this person with a very immature energy wants to express about emotions. Okay, the third card here is Hierophant, which is Taurus energy. Now this is a positive card because this person eventually will move to the higher level of energy. From the Page they will move to Hierophant, where they will think about stability, commitment, marriage. Now with this, let's also quickly see what is the intention of this person for you. So the first card that I see here is Four of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, and Queen of Cups. Four of Pentacles is miser energy, which means that this person will not go ahead and share their time, money, energy, resources with you. Five of Pentacles means that they may feel that you have left them out in the cold, so they may feel alone, they may feel left out. And the third card is Queen of Cups, which shows that they're very focused. They know which cup they want to go ahead and pick up, which is their cup up, and where they want to invest their emotions. Now with this, let's also quickly go ahead and see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle decks for all of you. So the message that I see here is take time to breathe out. This means that you need to give yourself a little more time. You need to just take that maybe small break, give yourself time, and then you can think through how you want to go about this relationship. Now with this, we'll also quickly go ahead and see what is the message we have from archangels, and if there is a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Morganite. The crystal message being, are you ready to attract the best of everything? Do you believe the best is yet to come? Make a clear decision to manifest the good in this moment. Don't wait until tomorrow. You are being called to experience spirituality in everyday living. See all that is in everything. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Uriel, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box and you can read it out from there. That's all that I see for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.